What happened to one of the most responsible AI companies on the planet accidentally ships 500,000 lines of its secret source code to the entire world? 512,000 lines, over 1,900 files, hidden features, internal model code names, and a Tamagotchi-style AI pet. This isn't just any leak. This is the Claude code leak, and it might be the most embarrassing and revealing moment in Anthropic's history. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what happened, what got exposed, and what it really means for Claude users and the entire AI industry. Stick around till the end because the biggest surprise isn't the leak itself. We cut through the AI hype and tell you what's actually going on. If you're into Claude, coding agents, or just want to understand how frontier AI companies actually work behind the scenes, this video is for you. Today we're diving deep into the Claude Code source code leak. No fluff, no conspiracy theories, just the facts, the juicy details, and my honest take as someone who's been testing these tools daily. Here's what we're breaking down. How a simple NPM mistake exposed everything, the craziest things found inside the leak, what it reveals about Claude's future models. Is this a disaster, or actually good for AI? And my final verdict on whether you should still trust Claude. Drop a like if you're Team Claude, and let's get into it. Here's how it went down. On March 31st, Anthropic pushed out version 2.1.88 of their Claude Code CLI tool, their powerful AI coding assistant that can act as a full agent on your machine. Everything seemed normal until developers noticed something weird in the NPM package. Buried inside was a massive 59.8 megabyte source map file, a debug file that should never have been shipped publicly. This one file acted like a key. It let anyone reconstruct the entire readable TypeScript source code of Claude Code. Over 512,000 lines across nearly 2,000 files. Within hours, the code was mirrored on GitHub. One repo, called Claude Code, exploded to tens of thousands of stars and forks before Anthropic started sending out thousands of copyright takedown notices. Anthropic quickly admitted it was human error, not a hack, not a breach, just a packaging mistake. They pulled the bad version and fixed it. But the internet moves fast. The code was already everywhere. Visuals, timeline animation, NPM package screenshot, source map file highlight, GitHub fork counter rising. What was actually leaked? Here the juicy details is. So, what did we actually learn from 500,000 lines of code? Here are the biggest revelations. 1. Hidden features and feature flags. The code contained 44 hidden feature flags and references to around 20 unshipped features. Things Anthropic has been building but hasn't released yet. This shows Claude Code is way more advanced internally than what users see today. 2. The Tamagotchi-style pet. One of the wildest discoveries, code for an always-on, companion-style AI pet or buddy. It looks like a Tamagotchi-style virtual agent that could live in your workspace, remember context across sessions, and interact more personally. Some analysts are calling it Buddy. Is this the future of AI agents? It might be coming sooner than we think. 3. Internal model code names. The leak confirms several secret internal names. Capybara appears to be a variant of Claude 4.6 Fennec, linked to Opus 4.6 NumApp, an unreleased model still in testing. Even more interesting, internal comments show they're already on Capybara V8, but there are notes about a 29 to 30% false claims rate, hallucinations, in some versions actually worse than earlier iterations in certain benchmarks. That's a reality check on how hard frontier model training really is. 4. Agent architecture exposed. We now have a clear blueprint of how Anthropic builds high-agency coding agents. They agentic harness the layer that turns the base Claude model into a tool using autonomous coder. This includes proprietary prompting techniques, tool orchestration, error handling, and how they make the model actually reliable for real coding tasks. 5. No model weights. Important clarification. The actual AI model weights, the billions of parameters that make Claude smart, were not leaked. This leak is about the software scaffolding around the model, still extremely valuable, but not the crown jewels. Visuals: bullet points with icons, blurred/redacted code snippets, animated highlights, cute Tamagotchi-style graphic for the pet. Now here's my honest expert take. Anthropic has built its entire brand on being the safe, careful, constitutional AI company. They constantly talk about responsibility and caution. Then they accidentally leak 512,000 lines of proprietary code because someone forgot to remove a debug source map. It's ironic, and it's embarrassing. But is it catastrophic? Probably not for users. No customer data was exposed. The core models are still secure. For competitors, this is a goldmine. Companies like Cursor or open source teams now have a detailed reference for building better AI coding agents. We might actually see faster innovation across the industry because of this. For Anthropic, it hurts there. We're the most responsible image right before a potential IPO. They've already issued over 8,000 takedown requests trying to scrub it from the internet. Good luck with that in 2026. There's also a second recent leak mentioned internal docs about an even more powerful model called Mythos that supposedly represents a step change in capabilities with big implications for cybersecurity. Anthropic is clearly moving fast, maybe too fast. What this means for you plus verdict. So, should you stop using Claude Code? Absolutely not. The leak actually proves how sophisticated their agent system is. The fact that they're building companion pets, hidden flags, and advanced orchestration shows they're pushing the frontier hard. However, it's a reminder that no company is perfect, even the ones preaching safety the loudest. My advice: keep using Claude if it's working great for you. It still leads in many coding and reasoning benchmarks. But diversify. Test Cursor, Grok, Gemini, and open source agents too. Watch closely for when Anthropic actually ships those hidden features. The Tamagotchi agent sounds fun. The truth behind the Claude AI leak? It shows that even the most careful AI labs are still run by humans, and humans make mistakes. But it also shows how rapidly the entire ecosystem is evolving. Leaks like this might accidentally accelerate progress for everyone. What do you think? Was this a disaster for Anthropic or secretly the best free R&D they could get? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If you want me to do a deep dive follow-up once more details emerge, or test the leaked inspired open source forks, smash that like button and subscribe with notifications on. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.